10 COVID-19 patients were discharged today in Singapore, which means more people have recovered in Singapore than those still in hospital. So this brings the total number of discharged cases to 47, according to the Health Ministry.
One new case was confirmed earlier today. Case 86 is a 24-year-old male Singaporean who is a student at the Singapore Institute of Technology. The Health Ministry said he had not gone to school since the onset of symptoms and mostly stayed at home at Bukit Batok East Avenue 5. He has no recent travel history to China, but is a contact of case 82. The 57-year-old Singaporean woman infected with both dengue and COVID-19. The 24-year-old is currently warded at Ng Teng Fong General Hospital. With the one new case confirmed, the total number of infections in Singapore now stands at 86. Of the 39 patients who are still in hospital, most remain stable or are improving. 5 are in critical condition in the intensive care unit, one more than yesterday. There are currently 1,122 quarantined, while 1,574 have completed their quarantine.